Yeah, let's start. So, hi guys, I'm Sally. Okay, don't worry about maybe seeing my hand, not seeing my face. So, this is my this is my pillow, as ugly as it is, and as thin as it is. So, I've been thinking of buying a new pillow. And yeah, so I decided to I take advantage of this quarantine and make one for myself. So this pillow, I I joined Elite Campus and I was using it in high school. So okay, simply what I'm going to do, and we're going to do this together. So here is my pillow. I had cut it, rather opened it here to see what is inside, and as we all know, this is what is usually inside a pillow. So yangu imeisha ikaisha, so I'm going to make it to what I want it to be. So I'm having a piece of blanket. As you can see, it was full. I cut it into two pieces. So here is my one piece, and then here I'm having the other piece. So I wanted to cut this into more pieces, but to make my work easy, I just cut it into two. Yeah, okay, let me, yeah, there. So so this is my so these are my two piece of blankets that I'm not using. uh, so what I'm going to do, as you can see, I'm going to put one piece of my blanket inside at the upper part, of the pillow. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Yeah, this is my workplace on my bed. Yeah. So like that. As you can see, I've put it down, and then these things that are inside my pillow bado ziko. So I'm having a cloth that I don't use because I need my pillow to be big. So, and spongy. So as you can see, my cloth si kama mbao, as in it will make my pillow to be what I want it to be. So I squeeze it. I put the cloth also inside. So let me push it like that so that it can be uniform. Okay, I'm loving it. Also, I put the other cloth, this cloth now, I put it on top. Okay, let me do it. So if you're having a pillow that is finished, that maybe you wanna get rid of it, you still can make use of it instead of using 500 shillings to get yourself another pillow. So here it is. Yeah. So I'm loving the fact that it is now. So I love the fact that it is firm. It is big. It is not as thin as it was, as you can see. Inside, just blanket and a piece of cloth. So I will have to seal here with a needle and some thread, as you can see. The normal, okay, upper stitch, you don't need to be taught. It is easy. Okay, but having a lovely dress, night dress here. So this night dress of mine, I decided to make use of it to change my cover because I don't like this cover, so I'm going to change it to this. So this is just a night dress. I chose it because I love it, its texture and its color also. I'm a lady, so I love colorful stuff. So I'm just going to cut it on one side like that. Yeah. So yeah, like that. Okay. So it is, in fact, it is a lining. For ladies can understand what a lining is, the inner piece of cloth that is usually in a dress, so that it can make the dress not to be so transparent. So I cut the lining. I need to be fast. Like that. So like that. Oh my, I'm not yet done. Okay, I'm almost there. So cutting the lining like that, like that. Yeah, I don't need to cut this part because I'll still put it on. I'll use it. It is my night dress. Okay, so let me put it aside. So this is what I needed. So let me place it on top. Let me see. Look. Wow, it looks so amazing. So cute. Wow. Wow, I'm loving my pillow. I'm loving my pillow, my people. Hey, so you can still make use of so what I'm going to do, I'm simply going to stitch it. So I start with this opening. So my needle is here and my thread. And let me put it and then I start the work. Yeah. So I have already stitched and I've finished my, okay, let me bring it closer. I've done it with the needle. Yeah, I've closed it already. Yeah, it is closed. So it is done. It is big as I expected. About the cover, this so-called night dress of ours, let me bring it closer. I've tried stitching it. Yeah, so here it is. Okay, yeah, so let us see. Okay, so I've stitched it like a bag. It is like a bag, you see, it is like a bag. Okay, look at it. Yeah, like that. So as you can see, it looks thin, by the way. I've done that because it can stretch, so I need it to stretch on my pillow so that it can look attractive. So we are going to put my pillow in it. Let us see how it is going to be. Yeah, so this is it. This is what I was imagining I would get. And people, look at my pillow, look at it, look at how cute, look at it, look at how cute it is. Oh my god, it is so cute. Wow. Well, I don't need to get myself another pillow. So for here, um I guess I'm going to just cut it kidogo. I did the cutting kidogo, and then so that I can try, and I'm not going to seal it, so that if it gets dirty I can clean it. Yeah, so the it looks so attractive, more than I expected, so I'm not going to get myself a new pillow. I'm having one already. I'm going to save on that cash rather than getting myself another pillow as I had planned. Yeah, let's get rid of it. Okay, my phone battery is getting low, so here's my pillow. So cute, so fancy, so spongy than it was, and I love it. Try this at home. Yeah, I think I'm done. I think my pillow is awesome, and I love the fact that it blends with my bed a little bit than the brown that was there. So that is my pillow. I made it myself, so hopefully you enjoyed. Yeah, try it. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share the video. Bye.